Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey y'all, hey. Welcome back to the LaShaun channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you guys a Coach haul. Yep, I'm sharing with you guys a Coach haul. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. To everybody else, welcome, welcome, welcome. Alright guys, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so I have a couple pieces that I picked up from Coach. I ordered them. They were having some sort of sale, and I decided to pick up just a few basic pieces that I feel like I needed in my collection. One of those pieces is this little girl right here. This is the Coach Noita, and it's in the puffy material. I'll put the name of it on the screen, but I picked this beautiful girl up. Okay, so I have the plastic off of her. She is the triple black color, and then she has the silver hardware on her. I do love this little chain that comes with her. She's really, really pretty, and if you guys know, I absolutely love a good Noita, okay? This one also has, like, if you can see, you can see that it has the Coach logo here in silver as well. And then your C on the front in all black. Right here, she has the Coach tag as well. So yeah, I really, really liked her. So here is a piece. And then next, we have the card wallet that I picked up, and it is the one of the newest ones that I've noticed. You guys may have noticed it before, but I'm just starting to notice really these type of card holders, and I absolutely love them. There is a pocket in the back, and then it has the gold hardware. Now I did need some Coach that had gold hardware, and I'll put the price on the screen, what I paid for it, and it's snap closure. It has another pocket on the inside right here. There's another pocket, and then you can put your cards inside right there. So I absolutely am in love with this. Like I said, I needed some pieces, so that's why I started picking up a few. And then next, I have this. Let's pull the plastic off. So guys, next I have the wristlet, and as you can see, it has the wristlet strap on it. It has the gold hardware on there. Let's take off this paper as well, and then it's just that basic wallet with the opening there like that. So like I said, I needed some pieces, some black pieces, and so, you know, I picked this up. The price of this one is on the screen. This is the large zip wristlet as well. It's not one of the smaller ones. It's actually on the larger side. So I picked this up. Alright guys, and so here is another piece that I picked up, and this is the Coach Sunglass Case, and I really have been wanting this for a long time. I purchased it a while ago, and I forgot all about it, and now I can't find it. So this is a repurchase actually, and so yeah, it's just for, you know, my other bags and stuff. It actually came, my last one did not have this. So this is something new. This strap here for your keys, I guess, or to hang from a purse or whatever you want to do with it. But yeah, this is just the sunglass case. That's what that is. So this is another piece that I picked up from Coach. And so this will match with a lot of my pieces, guys. A lot of my pieces. Alright guys, so last but not least, I picked up the Coach Signature Tote, and this is in the color khaki and saddle, okay? And here is the card right here. I'll do a little close-up of that. This is exactly what it is. Signature zip tote in the color khaki and saddle. I don't remember what I paid for it, but I will put it on the front of the screen. Let me get rid of the tissue off the straps. Alright guys, and so here she is. This is how she looked. I don't know if you guys can see the entire bag with the straps. I'll turn her around for you guys. This is how she looked from the back. Okay. You can see that. So this tote has the Coach tag on the front. I love the beautiful gold hardware on this bag. And also she has the zip top. I'm not going to do a review, but it's a basic tote with everything in it. It has a slip pocket in the back and in the front. But she is a cutie, and I really, really like her. So guys, this is everything that I picked up from Coach. And I just wanted to share with you guys all the pieces that I had picked up from Coach lately to add to my collection. So that's everything, guys. That's my entire Coach haul. I will leave the link for every single one of these pieces below in the description box in case you want to make some purchases. You guys know Coach Outlet always have a bunch of sales. So I'm sure you guys can go over there and find everything. They just added 70 more pieces to their clearance. So I'm really, really sure, guys, that you'll be able to go over there and find probably all of this stuff on sale. Okay? Well, all right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. That's the end of this haul. Until the next video. Bye, guys.